G'day guys, getting asked a few questions offline about the new SoftWash Trolley that's hit us here at Blue Ton Industries. It is a pressure cleaning system. So we're running a J-rod with a selection of nozzles. So if you're used to doing that currently and distance shooting, that's what you can expect. The system is 350 bar. So if you're rinsing, you can pump the pressure up to carry out a rinse. Any downstream injector, which is picking up after the pump, requires a pressure drop for the injection system to work. And that's why we're using larger nozzles. So we're going to do some distance shooting today on a 200 and 300 nozzle and just see how far we get. If you need height, you can drop the pressure. If you are trying to get height with higher pressure, your solution is going to atomize. So what I suggest too is drop the pressure. Have a sacrificial pressure pole. Pressure poles with us at Blue Tongue start at about $200, and that can be used at a lower pressure to get solution at height. Let's fire it up.
So 3,000 pounds all about 2,000, so the machine is 3,021 and we have a 200 nozzle in it. If we go 9 metres, that's over the top at 9 metres. That's at 2,000 psi. Let's crank it up. With a 200 nozzle. Easy over the top. Let's open it up to 300. So with a 300 pencil, we're not getting much more distance, but we're definitely getting less overspray.
Hope that helped a bit. Shooting distance with a 200, 300. You can see as pressure increased, the atomization increased with a smaller nozzle size. So remember that when you're shooting your chems, open up the discharge side and you'll reduce overspray. You'll get a more definite application of your chem and cause you a lot less headache. Any of your soft wash, pressure cleaning and anything else we do at Blue Tongue Industries, hit us up, follow us on the socials. Thanks guys.